Hey, what is up guys? Welcome to RAM Overload. Today I'm going to show you guys how to install GUI desktop applications on your Linux WSL. So if you recently installed the Linux WSL, you'll probably notice that there's no desktop GUI to it. It's more of like command line over here, as you guys can see over here. And you can still run desktop applications on it, which is kind of weird, but let me just show you guys what I'm talking about. So normally you would just be working on a command line, whether it's editing something or pretty much anything, but you can actually run desktop applications. So I've recently installed GNOME text editor. You guys can see over here it shows up here with in like the whole Linux looks and everything. Right, so yeah, that's pretty much it for that one, but it's pretty easy to install. All you need to do is install the application. So let's do sudo apt install gimp, and let's just do that inst. Okay, yeah, so let's install gimp to show you guys how it works. You're basically just installing the actual application. So whether it's GIMP, VLC, you can also do with like Google Chrome or Edge or pretty much any GUI-based application, right? You just need to know what the program name is, the exact name to install it, and then once you install it, you should be able to just run it by calling the program in the command line. So yeah, this will take a couple of seconds, so let me just pause it and play it right back when it is closer to finished. Okay, so it is completed installing, so now let's just run it. Oops, let me remove that. So let's just run GIMP. Well, you guys can see over here it's kind of messed up, but that's pretty much it. You can see it running. Okay, it should be better now. There are some GUI issues here and there for certain applications, but overall, if you have pretty simple application, you can run it, right? And it should work without any issues. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Pretty easy to install. You still don't get the whole GUI of the Linux, but you are able to use GUI applications and run them locally from your Windows computer. So yeah, that's pretty much it. If this video helped you, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And other than that, peace out.